Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning from Saigon, Vietnam. Yeah, it's one of the rare cases I'm making a video in the morning. But yeah, today's my first full day here, and the plan today is my friend from America is here, so I'm gonna go meet him up, and then we are going to take a evening tour, like a what do you call it? The double-decker buses. Yeah, we're gonna ride one of those in the evening. But yeah, I'm not sure what we're gonna do now. But yeah, I'm just gonna get ready and head over there. Man, I need to stop that teeth sucking sound. Man. When I listen to it on the video, it's annoying. But yeah, it's a bad habit. Anyways, yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. I came out here to Banh Canh. I've been here several times, but yeah, just came out here to do some sightseeing, and I got selling shirts and stuff. Soju. Shop's called Soju. Make suits here. I think this is like the tailoring spot. One. Yeah, it's just like the clothes area. I think we're walking up to the walking up to the toy and jewelry area. Yeah, like bags and stuff. Cool, they got a historical photo here.
Bro, you're not a tourist, bro. You're still in an Asian country.
I'm a tourist, man. What do you mean? Man.
Like an indoor swap meet.
Yeah. Are the swap meets in America this hot?
No.
Yeah. Yeah, these rows are really skinny. Let's go. Huh? That's a food area right here. Yeah, it's a food area. Yeah, I was telling them that coffee shop over there ripped us off before. Spent like $30 for like a medium-sized bag of coffee. I know that coffee is expensive, like the serve it thing or whatever, but yeah, I'm pretty sure she got ripped off. But yeah, just walking around the food area.
A certain
Fruit?
I mean, em có cần mua cái.
Cái hàng này nó muốn coi phải không? Cái hàng này coi đi.
Oh yeah, all right, I'll try that.
Cho ba cái đi.
3 ly xả lỗ.
You want a fresh drink? Ủa, em có nước ép không nè?
Có.
Để cho con cho đưa em.
Yeah, I get a drink.
Nào đó bọn
Yeah, I
em
got the
chịu
drink
hậu em
here.
nha.
Yeah, this lady is telling everybody she loves me.
So she loved the whole team, bro. The whole team.
Gangbang.
You want the dairy?
No, I don't like that shit. I don't like it. Nah.
The most Southeast Asian, bro.
Yeah, I don't think it grows there. It's like tropical. Yeah. You said this is pomegranate? Pomegranate.
So basically what they do is make the sweet, so it's fake pomegranate. They don't have jelly. They don't use the only time I see real pomegranate is in my city. They don't have to use real out here. That's the only thing.
Okay. I like pomegranate jelly.
Oh, you?
Huh?
Do you?
What?
Like pomegranate jelly?
No, I was just talking to the camera. Yeah, I never had it before.
So this has mung bean in it, coconut milk. It's called monk pomegranate. That's what usually they call it. That's only what I've read. But basically the pomegranate is the regular one.
Có đang quay không?
And why?
Hello Dung. Thuốc này mà xài ăn nha là thuốc
She love you, bro. She love you.
Everybody does.
She love you extra.
Long time. Let me a long time.
Love you forever.
You ever seen that movie? What's it called? Full Metal Jacket.
I think I know that line though.
Yeah, being so horny. It's on all the rap songs.
I got a push over for it. It was
Yeah, it's got some Banh Canh Cua. Crab noodle.
specialty here too. It's made out of crab, but this one's crab.
Yeah.
You wanna see this one? So this one's a specialty we usually get. It has a little bit of everything, like shrimp. As you can see, it got certain beef on it.
Yeah.
Chips. Yeah, this is one of my favorites right here.
This
But
is
seafood too.
this is their specialty.
This will be more of their specialty.
Oh, this one.
Yeah. But it is called like a tapioca, like how you eat pho.
Yeah.
You get a tapioca like that.
Oh, okay. Man, I wish you guys could smell this. It smells great.
Oh, this thing smells delicious.
Can't wait to eat it. Huh?
Oh, say hi to your vlog.
Try it. Thank
Let me
you.
know how it feels. Let me know how it tastes real quick. I know you usually do this like.
Got a cameraman now.
Of course. You said how if you look at the English, you only go to tourist spots. When you look at the Vietnamese vloggers, it's good. Right? I'm gonna kiss the camera for it.
Thank you. I put the sauce in. You still recording? Yeah. Yeah, put the sauce.
They put like soy sauce in here, huh? Is this like a Chinese dish? This is Chiao dish. This is Chiao. Oh, okay. And this stuff they made themselves over here. But this is specially made. This is a
XO sauce. That is sour or something.
This is better for dipping. I probably don't know.
Told me to put it in here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I usually dip this. So usually eat this with seafood. Like crabs, you would
Yeah.
use this with a green sauce. And then he makes this. This is a specialty that he makes too.
Yeah. That tamarind?
Oh, does that noodle? Yeah.
Try this again.
I thought so too. Yeah, this is a fat ass meatball.
For real.
Damn. Take a picture of that.
Yeah.
Yes, I want that.
This dish is like $2. Crabs for $2. That's crazy.
Hey man. How much would it be in the Philippines, you think? How would you think that would be in the Philippines?
Like $5, maybe.
Dạ em order cái cho mì nữa được không? Ăn như cái đó có mì.
Dạ thêm mì đúng không ạ? Dạ mỗi cái thì một dát mì ha. Khô hay nước ạ? Mình thử khô không? Khô đi. Thử khô đi, tại này nước rồi mình thử khô đi nha. Hai dát mì khô để riêng 2 chén nha.
It tastes like a mushroom broth.
Dude, look at this ball being. Look good as hell.
That's a big ass ball.
Should try this. Ồ, satay là anh làm ở đây luôn.
Dạ, mình ăn bánh canh vẫn được ạ.
Dạ.
Nhưng mà em nghĩ mình để riêng nước 2 chén vô ngoài thử trước giùm em ha.
Yeah.
Mình để làm nước chấm nó sẽ hay hơn ạ.
Yeah.
Dạ.
The one that you used to put on the
Good.
wrapper.
Not a big fan of blood, but that was good.
You know, so.
Cái là đặc biệt cái sa tế là
Ngon đó.
đặc biệt đó
Yeah,
là
this
của
one.
tiệm bánh canh. Dạ.
Oh yeah, you gotta put these peppers there. That's my favorite. Hey, hold on, this soup is pretty good. Yeah.
We're gonna
Yeah.
throw that shit in there, huh?
Is it good?
It's delicious, man.
The soup.
Yeah.
It tastes way different than where I'm from.
Really?
So we do a sweeter. We make everything sweeter. So like you want more like a Cali taste, it will be in. There's a cockroach right there.
Yeah, that's normal, bro.
Hey, bro.
Vietnam, man.
Dude, it's not that spicy, baby. Give me that little bit. That thing is strong as fucking tip. Yeah, it's good though. It's good as a mother. Flying at you and shit. Don't fucking yourself up on us.
I didn't even know they fly for like a long time.
Really?
The first time I saw it, scared the shit out of me.
Oh, jump scare shit is good. Oh,
Shit was fucking scary.
Mom, there's a shrimp cafe right now. With a Banh Canh, this one's fire.
Huh?
That one's fire.
Yeah, I like it.
I didn't know they had the starter here, man. Yeah, try to do that. Something delicious. You want some pickled
Tapioca noodles,
you eat this?
crab.
You eat this?
Yeah, garlic. Yeah.
Pickled garlic. There's another spoon.
I got it right here. I got it.
Yeah, you can. That's why I put that little
Yeah.
cafe in the baby.
Yeah, I just post my travel stuff.